Good morning. Welcome to Coffee Time Cafe.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. What can I get for you today?
This is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. We're happy to have you.
Thank you. The cafe looks very nice.
Thank you so much. Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. You have many drinks.
Yes, we do. We have coffee, tea, and cold drinks.
I see. What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular.
What is a latte?
A latte is coffee with milk. It's smooth and not too strong.
That sounds good.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
No problem.
Can I ask a question?
Of course. Please go ahead.
Is the coffee strong?
It's medium strength, but we can make it stronger or lighter.
Medium is okay.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, please.
How much sugar?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Got it. 1 spoon of sugar.
And milk, please.
Sure. Regular milk or soy milk?
Regular milk is fine.
Would you like anything to eat?
What food do you have?
We have muffins, dot cookies, and sandwiches.
I like muffins.
Our chocolate muffin is very good.
Okay, I'll take 1 chocolate muffin.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Is that all for you today?
Yes, that's all.
Your total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait here. Your order will be ready soon.
No problem.
Are you from this city?
No, I'm new here.
Oh, really? Welcome.
Thank you. Everyone is very friendly.
We try our best.
Do many people come here every day?
Yes, especially in the morning.
I can see why. The cafe feels warm and quiet.
That's great to hear. Your order is ready.
Oh, thank you.
Here is your hot latte and chocolate muffin.
It smells very good.
Enjoy.
Can I sit here and drink?
Yes, of course. You can sit anywhere.
Thank you very much. Excuse me.
Yes.
The coffee is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
I will come again.
We'll be happy to see you again.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Welcome to our channel, where real conversations help you learn real English.
Here, you'll practice English through simple, natural dialogues from daily life.
No classrooms. No pressure, just real people. Real situations.
If you want to improve your speaking, listening, and confidence, both together, you're in the right place.
Let's learn English. So, here we are, sitting in the park. It feels calm today.
Yes, it feels very peaceful. I like places where my mind can relax.
Same here. Life feels too noisy sometimes.
Especially in our thoughts.
True. What made you come to the park today?
I wanted to clear my head. I had many thoughts since morning.
Good or bad thoughts?
Both, mostly about the future.
The future is always on our mind, isn't it?
Yes, sometimes I feel excited, and sometimes I feel afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of making wrong choices.
I feel that fear too. Choosing a path is not easy.
Exactly, nobody teaches us how to choose correctly.
We learn by experience. And experience can be painful.
But also valuable.
Very valuable. What do you dream about for your future?
I dream of a peaceful life, meaningful work, and personal growth.
That sounds beautiful.
What about you?
I want stability, confidence, and the freedom to choose my life.
Freedom is very important.
Yes, freedom of mind and decisions.
Do you think we are free now?
Physically, maybe. Mentally, not always.
I agree. Fear limits freedom.
And society's expectations,
People always tell us what we should do.
but rarely ask what we want.
That's true. I used to follow others' advice blindly.
What changed?
I realized it's my life, not theirs.
That realization is powerful.
Yes, but it took time.
Time teaches many lessons.
Sometimes slowly, sometimes suddenly.
Have you ever failed badly?
Yes, more than once.
How did you handle it?
At first, I blamed myself. Then I learned from it.
Failure hurts pride.
But it builds character.
I failed too, especially when I didn't try hard enough.
That hurts even more.
Yes, knowing you could do better.
But at least you are aware now.
Awareness is the first step.
Exactly.
Do you believe success is luck or hard work?
Both. But hard work creates more chances.
I like that answer.
Luck favors preparation.
That's true.
What keeps you motivated? When you feel tired?
Remembering why I started.
That's important.
And you?
I remind myself that giving up won't solve anything.
Strong mindset.
It took time to build.
Everything meaningful takes time.
Like learning English.
Yes, especially speaking.
Many people are afraid to speak.
Because they fear mistakes.
But mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly.
I tell myself, speak first, improve later.
That's a great rule.
Confidence grows with practice.
That's why conversations like this are helpful.
Yes, natural and relaxed.
No pressure.
Just real talk.
Do you enjoy being alone?
Sometimes, solitude helps me understand myself.
I enjoy it too, but not loneliness.
There's a difference.
Big difference.
Loneliness feels empty.
Solitude feels peaceful.
Well said.
The park feels quieter now.
Yes, the evening is coming.
Time moves fast during good conversations.
It really does.
If you could give advice to your younger self, what would it be?
I would say, believe in yourself sooner.
That's powerful.
What about you?
Don't be afraid to start.
Starting is the hardest part.
But once you start, things move.
Step by step.
Exactly.
I'm glad we shared this conversation.
Me too. It feels meaningful.
Sometimes talking heals.
Yes, more than silence.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for being honest.
To everyone watching, we hope this conversation helps you practice English and feel motivated.
Remember, growth takes time. And you are not alone.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing.
See you in the next video.
Take care and stay positive.